Has been a short but a very memorable journey so far. We commenced our journey in 2008. That's when we started our airport, international airport, away from the city, but well connected. And we clearly set out with a very big vision. We just didn't want to come here and set up an airport, but we came here with a big vision of making an aerotropolis, an airport city. And one of the main pillars of making an aerotropolis happen is we thought that Hyderabad is well positioned, being in the center of the country, very well connected by road to a lot of catchment area in Andhra Pradesh and central India. We thought that Hyderabad has true potential to become the cargo hub for India. Now, having said that, we want to be the cargo hub for India because we are geographically and otherwise well positioned to become the cargo hub. There are quite a few pillars which need to be in place before a place becomes a cargo hub, and it's a very arduous and tough task. And the GMR airport team took upon itself the task to work on each of these pillars, and in this last 4 years, we have made great progress. We said that first and foremost, if you want to be a cargo hub, you need to have a great cargo terminal. You need to have a cargo terminal which should rank the best in the best, one of the best in the world. And together with Menzies, when we commenced operation in 2008, coinciding with the starting of the airport, I think we have surpassed many benchmarks of operational excellence, faster turnaround times, quick clearance times, and have turned out to be very efficient cargo terminal operations, which is growing from strength to strength, and in fact we are growing in capacities. Not to be satisfied with just putting up a cargo terminal, we said the need of this place is to cater to the very elite and a very specific pharmaceutical segment in particular, because as Nick said, catering to the pharmaceutical segment is like, catering to a business class traveler. Needs are very special, and therefore we came out with the country's first pharmaceutical cold storage terminal. And we said that's going to be the second leg of our infrastructure, and we have now almost reaching to the capacity, and we are thinking of putting up a next pharmaceutical cargo terminal to keep up with the pace of the industry and the requirements of this region.